welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you a self-care video. So today I'll be showing you how I wax my arm. As you can see, they're due for a change. So don't forget to like, leave all your comments down below, and of course subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell right beside the subscription bar and stay notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget, all the products will be down below in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So for this video, all you'll need is some wipes. And I'm using Dove. You don't have to use Dove. You can use any wipes you have or washcloth. That's your choice. I'll be using my numbing spray. Of course, yes, I bought numbing spray because I didn't want to feel all the pain, guys. I dislike waxing, but I love the results. So, numbing spray, guys. Okay. Next, I have this Gigi strip-free honey wax, and it comes with 5 products, and well, actually 6. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys everything that comes in the box. So first and foremost, we have our pre-wax cleanser, and this will be the first product that I'll be using to cleanse my arm. Then we have our post-wax cooling gel skin refreshener. So after we finish waxing, then we'll apply this to the skin. Next, we have our wax off gel, and of course this is after you finish waxing, any little residue that's left back, you go in with this product. Then you have your slow grow with argan oil, hair minimizer. So this is the very last step. After you finish waxing, you put this on your arm and it will slow the growing process. Who doesn't want that? So yeah, and then of course you have the master for everything, your wax, and you can put this in the microwave. So it's a microwave hair removal wax, and no strips needed. You just, when you heat it up, you just apply it to your skin and rip it off. It's that simple. I chose this system because I heard so much trial and error with the sugar waxing, and girl didn't want to go through that, okay? Because I usually get this done at the salon. So my first time trying it at home, I want it to be good. I'm not saying probably in the future I'll show you guys me trying the sugar wax for the first time or whatever. I'll make a video on that. So without further ado, we're gonna go and heat up this. I'm gonna heat it up and come back, so stay tuned. So guys, of course the applicator sticks comes with it. Quite a few came, and then the instruction. So now we're going to go ahead and apply and cleanse the skin and apply the numbing spray before we heat the wax up. Okay guys, so now the wax is warm and I'm going to start applying it.
Feel my heart, it's beating. Oh, my body's breathing. It's just you and me. Feel my heart, it's beating.
I'm gonna wait until it dries a little, and then you're going to repeat in the direction that the hair is growing, which would be down. Okay? I'm gonna apply it to the other side.
Body's breathing, it's just you and me. I'm so caught in this was so.
And it was just a little piece. Guys, this shit ain't no joke. It's painful. Woo! Super painful.
Lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. I'm so caught in this was so lost deep in it, can't stop. I'm forever the one you call. Let's free fall. Let's
Now that my arm is squeaky clean, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Post Wax Cooling Gel. So this is supposed to cool down and all the irritation from the waxing process. So your girl, I smell aloe vera in this. I'm gonna check it out, but I smell aloe vera. So yeah, I can feel it. Whew. It's like a soothing sensation, like it feels so cool, like when you put Tiger Balm on your skin. That's how it feels, cool and nice, like yes. Well, wax pain I go? No baby, no wax pain. What is wax pain? Some of the wax, little of the wax still leave, little. After I shower, of course, they will come off. So we're not too worked up about that, because we kind of impatient, so we didn't spend the time to make the wax off work. But if you get this system, of course, you do that. It don't take long, but yeah, you're gonna miss a few little patches here and there. But yeah, this feels so good. It's so soothing, and of course I know this. I don't have to worry about my arm for a while, probably a month or more, because my hair grows slow. So guys, you've come to the end of this video. I hope it helped you somewhat, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until my next video, one love.